Give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator of nature. We do give thanks and praise. Yes, for the record, public authority, are we being targeted? Why am I asked that question there? Today, I went out on the road about after 10, after 10, something like that. And when I jump on my bicycle and reach up on the front of the road, that's something, my phone on my bicycle that start SOS, beep, 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 a whole bunch of mess, like a car alarm. Never experienced that. I'm like, yo, what is? And all the way I ride up to the local shopping center area there, where I can get some document printed. This thing just keep going off. And I stop and say, I wonder if because I not keep credit on this phone here. Because I've never experienced that. However, when I stop, I kind of touch some button and, remove that little screen there and thing and put some credit on the phone and I not see it occur again. However, after I'm done print up my document and leave the library area, by the time I step out on the street, I see like one of them spot check type of thing. There are a bunch of police on the street. Holy for police. Oh, 8, 9 of them, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a lot of police. I must say, I lay the police just jumped on the street in front of me and stopped me while I'm there on the bicycle. And boy, me just find that interesting. I know the crime problem sound like it's an issue to me. However, when me I say, Madam, what is it you want? I don't have any, you know, driver's license, but do you want to see my passport? And she I said, no, you have any weapon, you have any knife? And me have my key ring with my key tucked in my waistband because me have on a shorts. Me a riding on shorts. And the police lady just dragged the key out of my waistband and then gave it to me and, like touch me and I just find it amusing, like, no, how I really are going. And then she said she want to search my bag and, why in my bag and me I said, what's really going on? You have any weapon, you have any knife, you know what I mean? And I saw the lady are going. I'm not say she the road or anything per se. I just find it amusing because me I say, hold on man, how come all of a sudden these things are happening? However, police lady let me on my way and by the time I shower and hit the road for go down to the court for go conduct my court business, I see the same group of police, the down the hole in here, down by the, that side of town there. So me I say I just them job them a do out there, but it just seems, a whole heap of coincidence, I want to see some goat incident and some dog incident and some foul incident. Me I say too much coincidence. However, it is what it is, you know what I mean? Sometime of the journey, and them would say it come with the territories, because when you're there in a location where everybody, are move in one direction and you're kind of, that's the odd one out, going opposite to where everybody else are go. So it's no surprise to me. However, after that experience, you know, I just decide, say, boy, when I come in from the court, I could just get a groom up because, a court, so you have to at least present yourself decent when you choose, and now I choose. I just decide, so I'm not going to ride my bicycle, because if me I get harassment on my bicycle on the second of May that took my car. So today I don't know what was going on. It looked like them don't want to take my bicycle to and probably arrest me. Some of us decide say I don't want to get caught speeding on my bicycle. You know what I mean? And them arrest me and lock me up again and give me one of those fictitious recognized that don't think them gonna give me a bond this that them want an excuse for lock me up. That's what me I surmise. Say, you know what I did, people? I just parked my bicycle and decided to walk. And as far as I had to walk today, I just walk here. Because I can walk from anywhere in a Portmore to any point. I want location. And true, I can jog these places for just an easy stroll. It's only an inconvenience. And only because it's sunny, but I kind of full joy the exercise. So yes, I give thanks. No complaints. But may I tell you, it is interesting. Truly, it is interesting, man. These public authority. I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. So I place my document on the court today where I actually get it filed and get it initialed as proof that, I'm on enter them arena. And this is just the cover page of the document. When I say attention office of the Governor General, private to public and notice and affidavit. Now I put for the court record in the St. Catherine Parish Court. Jamaica Constitutional Law, Contract, Charter, Chapter 3, Bill of Rights, and then we have Municipal Corporation, Municipal Corporate Government, which we know is a corporation, versus Linton O'Neill Dallas, and that's the surety. You know what I mean? And then we say acknowledgement and acceptance, notice of recovenance of bills, of pains and penalties. And then at the bottom we say acceptance for value and return for offset settlement and closure of all account by attached registered security bond, i.e. the surety, dated for tomorrow, by title owner, Linton O'Neill Dallas. And you see that spelling is a little bit different from the registered organization, which is a surety, which is mine. It's all mine. But this is why they would say you and you, because they talk to two or generalized term, which can be, more than one. Administrative notice. To proceed, we first respectfully demand the court recognize that the title owner is here on special visitation as beneficial equitable title holder on matters pertaining to the surety. We also respectfully demand this court take notice that I am present only in the capacity as one who has attained the age of majority. Therefore, I direct you to fulfill your fiduciary duty and settle all accounts as my public trustee. We now acknowledge and accept the certification of our right of subrogation. We do not consent to proceed. However, to proceed is to acknowledge and accept that we are here on special visitation as beneficial, equitable title holder. Because I have that title, I'm the holder and I'm the owner. UPU authority. We have paid the freight fee for this court document vessel by way of a canceled USA $1 adhesive postal stamp representing 1 troy ounce of gold. This entitles us and our documents the right of passage as postmaster or pursuant to the universal postal union requirements, because we cancel the stamp, then it put we under the postal union authority. Do the research. I cancel adhesive US stamp. Yeah, because US are their dollar are the standard. And them have instrument where backed by gold, but you have to have this information. And then we say Code of Federal Regulation, Title 27, Section 72.112. Now, if we go back in this to, anyway, it purports all crimes are commercial. So that is a document I really place out there. I'm going to get my thing file stamp. And as I go along, I'll probably decide to either share or not share them information there. Because really, you can only discover say it's a personal thing. And then because I walk my journey, no different from before, I just share my journey. You know what I mean? My information. I talk about what I deal with. So I get an opportunity again to step forward and present these things. Why do I say a municipal corporate government? Only because we can prove them kind of statement easily. Yeah, man. Sometimes, we'll make some talk, but we don't necessarily can back it up. Yeah. So when we say Jamaica, the government of Jamaica is a corporate entity, a corporation. This is a proof for me of. I don't think nobody else can get this information outside of me and share it with other people. Or people take it from this platform when we share it. It's called a UCC financing statement. And if you take notice of the name Bernard XEX, that's Bernard Executor Clayton M. So Bernard Executor Clayton M. Yeah, so the filing date March 29, 2012. Filing time 1:14 a.m. You see that? In the night, it's somewhere, 1:14 a.m. And then them have the filing number here, 2012 089 2030-9. And then lapse date none. So, and then you see the government of Jamaica. See, it's a debtor, exact full legal name, government of Jamaica. All right. City, Kingston. Country, Jamaica. See? Type of organization, corporate. See it right here? Type of organization, corporate. Jurisdiction of organization, District of Kingston. Jurisdiction of organization, District of Kingston. Organization ID number. So this is the Don's business number. You see it? 369. And then organization name, additional debtors exact full name. So you have Government of Jamaica, comma, the. So this is the first structure. And then I have the Government of Jamaica, which is another structure. And watch this now. The address is where? Washington State, DC, postal code, USA. Again, the Government of Jamaica. This one is in Washington, D.C., the location. You understand, people? Jurisdiction again, District of Kingston. Don's number, This Duns number, pay attention, people. Pay attention. You see the very same Duns number up here? This have dashes. You see the ones down here is without dash. You understand? So this is the organization, the business area. Right? All right. So them can govern in a corporate well, both of them are corporate capacity type of organization, corporate. Yeah, man. So when we talk, we not just a talk organization name, individual's last name, Bernard EX. So when we put a EX as executor in a my name, listen, it's not strange. And so the first name, yeah, Clayton M. And this is a UCC financing statement. So because he's the executor of all our the government, everything with the government of Jamaica deal with, where you say on the island. Here, this is the man, Bernard X, Clayton M. Bernard X, and executor office, Mariposa, see that? 2130 Province, Bernard, UMI. Well, I mean, go through some research and look on break down all of these things, you know. But I just show the people and on my island. I say, when I hear a man such as I talk, it's like we're a walking vault of information. We keep information, people. You understand? See it here? Embassy of Jamaica, Washington, D.C., District of Kingston. Everything is Kingston. You know, no jurisdiction outside of your corporate area in a Kingston, which is just that 12 square mile area. And them thing evidence of fact, proof. Government of Jamaica, the Jamaica Consular General, all of these things. New York, jurisdiction, District of Kingston, different DUNS number this, got different corporate organization. So there them probably will get the idea, you know, when we speak and I say, boy, we're not governed by. This is why we have said, bring on a delegation of authority, can not commit and not perpetrate fraud straight across the board. Can not use our own private charter and I try dictate terms and conditions in the public and totally abandon the public document, the common law public document, which is the Constitution with that Bill of Rights, the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom. But again, our people kind of distracted. Our people hungry for other kind of information opposed to what is truthful. Our people get caught in the effect and have no interest in the cause of all of these, you know, effects. The causation is irrespective. Them say it's not important. So them have to try find solution for effect. It not work that way. You have to get to the root and eradicate the problem from its source. And this is where we not comprehend. This is the information that people not have, but again, them information it will fly over people's head, man, easily. Yeah, man, easily. Fly over people's head, man. And I'm quite sure which part needed locate a document. I'm going to check already. Beaches. See the man, them claim the beaches, them claim the airport, them claim every single thing, people. I'm showing you, see it? Everything them claiming, everything. This is, let's see what I'm saying. Additional data, exact full name. This is what I. And everything happened in 2012 when them make that devil switch there, you know. Secure party creditor hold a superior claim, security interest, and lien on all of the property of the debtor holds and drought the drought. Brethren, a time will come when we just come in at this again and break down all of them things. And we just share these kind of information. Additional collateral description. Oh, I'm not hear our bright people upon the island. I say, what is this? You know what I mean? Explain this. And what is this Jamaica located in Washington, D.C.? Have an address in Washington, D.C. See? 1520 New Hampshire Avenue, Washington, D.C. See that? USA. And the jurisdiction of organization, District of Kingston. Jurisdiction of organization, District of Kingston. So our man department there in a Elsha and some man a pull me over when them now no corporate jurisdiction all the way out here. You see people? But again, our view is a little bit different, so people will miss this kind of information. But we have to just share it, because if we not express it and explain it, people are going to say, what am I chat about? All of that are just unnecessary talk. Them man that just a talk for talk. Yeah, man. So again, we just, step by step. I don't know if my thing are act up, I really don't know. I don't want to go too far on this thing and make a mess of itself. Yeah, man. They have a instrument when I mind. Oh man, something I go on here with this thing. I can't do have access to save nothing at all on this thing. But I'm just cut it off yourself. Anything, share the next information another time. But